Every single skate park still has snow. If we had a team of people, we can clear this out. But for now, because no one else wants to clear out the skate park, we gotta wait for it to rain.
How you been, bro?
What's going on?
Been good?
Chilling. And the hunt for places to ride continues. It was kind of good when it snowed a lot because since we didn't have any skate parks to ride and everything was snowed in, we used the snow scooter. But now everything is snowed in and drying up where you don't have enough snow to snow scooter, but then there's too much snow to actually ride your regular scooter. Besides the globe, because I shoveled it, you guys gotta check this out. Look what I got. Indo sent me a brand new foam scoot, which is why you clicked the video in the first place. And they just released a whole new line, which I will show you right now. Starting off with the Indo Bug scooter. This thing's sick because it's designed for ages 3 to 6. So anybody that's just starting out, if you just started walking, get them on this thing. This is perfect. You want them to get into scootering, you want them to get into learning how to do tricks, perfect size. The next one up is the 570. This one is the next step in size and weight. The handlebar being 60 centimeters is the next gradual climb. Depending on how tall you are, this is definitely the next step. And the next complete is the 670 complete. This one is cool because this handlebar is 70 centimeters tall, which you're slowly climbing to a normal size scooter dimension, if that makes any sense. But if you're a taller guy and you want a light scooter, which this thing has aluminum handlebars, comes with the grips, comes with a good headset, this is definitely the next step up if you're on the taller side. And then finally, you have the Pro, which is my favorite because this one is the closest you can get to a normal size scooter. So if you want a scooter that's going to be the easier transition into learning the tricks on your regular scooter, the Pro is definitely going to be the scooter for you. And this is the one I'm going to be using more often, just because, like I said, it's the closest you can get to the normal scooter, which I think is going to be more helpful for me. There's going to be some tricks that I want to try on flat or on trampoline if I can get to it. And if I can do them on this, I'm pretty sure I have a better chance on transitioning those tricks over onto my normal scooter, or at least into the skate park. All these scooters actually come with a really nice headset, super easy to install. The packaging is actually really small, so in case you do want to get it shipped, or if you have it, you want to pack it away, if you're moving or doing something where you need to store it somewhere, these things come in those small little boxes, which is great. This one actually being my favorite just because it is taller, it's a little bigger. So the other ones that they make are a lot lighter, so it's a little easier to do tricks. I like the Indo scooter that is the closest to my regular scooter because I think it's going to help transition tricks. It's really fun to ride the little ones because you can just do all this crazy stuff, like, especially I can't even do all these buttercup bri twist things. But this, not only does the color look sick, the weight and everything is, obviously it's light. The dimensions are pretty identical to my scooter. We're gonna ride this one here for a little bit. We went from dreading to be stuck inside from weather or just in general. When you're inside, you're just like, man, I need to get outside and ride, to having a lot of options when we're inside and we still want to have fun and progress riding and keep the muscle memory in tune. We did the stand challenge in the beginning of quarantine. We built the scooter trainer, which is probably my favorite. We have the Indo scooter, whole new line depending on what size you are, your body geometry, and there's plenty of things to do now in case we do get stuck at home. And if you guys are interested in the Indo scooter and a whole new line of product, you can click the link in the description. Got a brand new trick, check. And then that last slow-mo clip was more of a photo attempt. It's a little blurry, but I still might be able to use it for Instagram. Successful day trying to make everything happen. I'm gonna see if I can do a couple more tricks. There's this cool spot that I'm at right now. There's like a dead-end street near a highway, and there's a cool lake. It's been getting a little warm. It's been feeling really good. Trying to do as much as I can and ride as much as I can while it's warm. I mean, pretty close, right? For those who don't know, the car is matching the scooter. The scooter's not matching the car. The scooter was first, and I wrapped my car according to this. If you guys are interested in this beautiful deck, wonderful, beautiful deck, go get one. I would love to see you guys ride my scooter. Any part that I ride, my signature wheel, signature deck, any Envy part. You guys know Envy is definitely up there when it comes to making parts with perfection. My scooter feels so good. When I do tricks right now, there's nothing in the way. Anytime I mess up, it's my fault. My scooter's always felt so good, and it's never felt this good. So I really appreciate Envy just making these cool parts, and then obviously having my name on it. Super blessing. Appreciate you guys watching this video. If you guys are interested in anything that went on in this video, leave a comment. Let me know what interests you the most. Foam scoot session, did you like the flat sessions? Trying to involve a lot in the videos, not just one thing. Bring you about my day. And I also have another question. Do you guys like vlogs? I try to stay away from vlogging, like bring you guys along for certain adventures or certain tasks during the day. I just try to focus on like that one thing, whether it's a new trick or one session. But if you guys want me to bring the camera with me more often, please let me know if that's really what you're interested in. Remember, this kind of started off as a vlog style channel. I am uploading 3 times a week, but I try to make like mini movies during the week rather than vlogs. But sometimes there are some interesting things. It'd be cool to bring you guys along. If you guys want that, leave a comment down below, and of course like the video. Doing all that, engaging in the video really helps a lot. It makes people see the video more and push the video on YouTube, and then helps my channel grow. And to hit 600,000 subscribers this year would be awesome. So that's the goal. So sharing these videos around would really help. That's about it. Wrapping it up. I'll see you next time.